rules before we go to example. And rule 1, we say that suppose we have our, let me say this is the first rule. We shall have, if we have y is equals to f of x, then plus g of x, then minus h of what? H of x. What do we do if we are differentiating such a function being combined? We have f of x, g of x, h of x. What you do, we shall have the derivative or the y, the x here will be the same as differentiate this function of f of x with respect to x, then add the derivative of this, which is also dx into g of what? G of x. Then subtract the derivative of what? The derivative of dx of h into x. That is 1. Then the second one is when we have what? The second one is when we have y is equals to a times f of what? F of x. If we have a constant multiplying our function, what do we do? What we do there, if you want to get the derivative, we shall have dy dx is the same as what? Is the same as a, then the constant multiplied by the derivative of this function f of x. Then the last one will be what? If we have y is equals to a, what do we do there? Now for this one, we know that this one can also, this function can be written as what? A x power 0, because any number power 0 is what? Is 1. So anything to power 0 is what? Is 1. So if we differentiate this, it will be dy dx is equals to, our rule, remember, says that what? Bring the power down. So if we bring the power, this power 0 down, it will be 0 multiplying a x, then we reduce the power by what? By 1. It will be now 0 minus 1. Any number times 0 gives us what? 0. So it means our dy dx of a constant is equals to 0. It will imply that whenever we are going to differentiate a function that have a constant only, our derivative will be what? Will be 0. And this is how it comes about. So let's jump into some examples. We will see how to use these general rules in the examples. So these are the examples we are going to look at. We have the first one where we have y is equals to x cubed plus 2x squared, then plus a constant 3. The second example will be we have y is equals to 2 over x cubed. Then the last one we have 2x plus 2 multiplying x plus 1. So the solution to what we have there, the first one, if we use the rule, the general rule, we have our y is equals to x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3. So our dy dx, because they have told us to find the derivative. So we shall have dy dx is equals to what? Bring down this power 3, it will become 3x, then reduce the power which is 3 by 1, we shall have 2 plus, bring this power 2 down, we shall have 2, then this is the power we are bringing down, x, then we reduce it by 1, it will remain power 1, plus, remember the derivative of a constant is what? Is a 0. Then we shall have our answer to be dy dx is equals to what? Is equals to 3x squared plus 4x only. That is for the first answer there. Now, when you look at, we go to example 2. Example 2 is saying that is we have y is equals to what? 2 over x cubed. Now what we are going to do, we shall take this x cubed up, so it will become negative, it will become x to power negative 3. So this function will become y is equals to 2x to power negative 3. Then we use our rule. Using our rule, we shall have our dy dx is equals to what? Bring the power down, we shall have 2, and our power is negative 3, x to the power negative 3 minus 1. So it will give us dy dx to be the same as, to be equals to negative 6 for 2 times negative 3, then x to power negative 4. What you can do, you can bring the x down if you want to make the power negative 4 to become positive. You bring the power down. So it will be dy dx is equals to negative 6 over x power 4. That will be the answer. Now, when you look, we go to this last example, which is given by y is equals to 2x plus 2 into x plus what? Plus 1. So what we are going to do first here, since we have not yet introduced product rule, we shall expand what we have so that we open this bracket. So we shall have y is equals to, if you multiply this, this is 2x squared, multiply that, shall have plus 2x plus again this 2 times x will be 2x plus 2. So it means our y is the same as 2x squared plus, add this will give us 4x plus 2. Now when you differentiate using the rule, we shall have dy dx to be the same as, bring the 2 down, we shall have 4x, then plus, since the power is 1, when you bring it down, it will be 4. And this one will become power 0, which is 1. So it means our final answer will be 4x plus 4. And that is our answer. So you leave the comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for new videos that we have uploaded on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.